welcome to school too.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, how you doing?
I'm fine. What do you want?
I want I bet you get condom.
Yes.
Okay.
But do you have change?
Change.
Yes, change is the issue. I don't
think
have
I have change here. Okay. Do you have POS?
Yes, I have POS.
Okay, I have my card here.
All right. Okay.
Let me just, okay, this is my card. How much is it?
It's just 15 naira.
Oh, 15 naira.
Yeah.
all right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Close your eyes. I hope you are not watching my PIN number.
No. Why will I watch your PIN number?
Abeg, yeah, you get condom? You don't get condom. Hi, you don't think why don't the waka they find where I go get this condom? You don't know any shop where I can buy condom. A bad market to this one.
The network is kind of bad. Maybe I'll try it again.
What do you mean the network is bad? Try it. I don't have time.
Bad. Let me try it again.
Try.
Hava, bros, Hava, how you doing now? Hey, beg, you know, say me, I dey new for this area. I dey find where I can buy condom. You go where I go buy. You get that shop where they there. They sell it for there.
Welcome, sir.
Baby, Hava.
I'm fine. What do you want to buy?
I want to buy condom.
Oh, okay. It's only one that we have, and that is what this bro is trying to get now. We only have one.
You know, carry take money. POS when you pay. Yeah, carry cash. Take money.
My friend, what do you mean?
Let me tell you.
Come, see, I don't have time for this rubbish.
I'm using cash.
I don't have change.
I don't have change. He's using POS. This network now. This card now doesn't have network.
Madam, give it to me. I don't have time. Someone is waiting for me at home. Give it to me. Come, my friend, be careful with me.
My babe, they wait for me for us.
Which babe? Be careful with me now. Give me my this. Let me go.
The network is bad.
Debit me. I want to see it.
She's saying the network is bad.
People are just to the one.
Sorry, Shali, wala salamo. Go back to me, go paramo. I'll show you what I got. No do yanga. Ayari de ma chokolo yanga. Lama mi kaja makuru maga. Lama mi kaja makuru maga.
They fight. Oh, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
What do you want to buy? Is it Gary?
Need condom.
Condom.
Yeah.
Sir, I have only one in the menu. I should bring it.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Remember, sir. Okay.
I want to do she not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she wants to faint though. I'm waiting for the God.
Oh yeah, give us. Use my money.
We don't settle. Give us. We don't settle.
Give us that
Don't
condom. Sorry.
Just give us the
Condom.
I should give you one.
The condom.
That guy that just left has bought it now.
What?
Yes.
What?
You say?
Funke.
Thank you.
Apostle will hear of this.
School too.
We are going higher.
Going.
Yeah, please keep watching School 2. School 2 comedy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I don't tell you people, yeah? School 2, yeah, they go.
Yes, so
All he just
watch.
said to say keep watching.
That's what's on bad, man.